this is Dr. Dan from Vibrant Chiropractic Care. Today I'm going to be going over instrument adjusting because not everybody is capable or ready to handle a hands-on chiropractic adjustment, which we do prefer to perform in this office. But for those that can't, we do offer an instrument adjustment. It works like a little miniature jackhammer, just to gently tap those bones, just to start to free things up. And I'm just going to do a simple demonstration here. I like to add a little motion with it, turning one way and turning the other. You want to accentuate the curve. And there you go. Real simple. Another great way to get adjusted, and there's no clicking, popping, or any odd noises or strains that you would feel. Have a great day. Give us a thumbs up and a share. We'll see you soon.